Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So our today topic is which content is best for the YouTube. So let's get started. YouTube video ideas. Number 1 is comedy. If you want to go viral, a funny video might just help you get there. Number 2 is music video. If you are a musician, a music video is an obvious choice. Number 3 is prank videos. Number 4 is cute funny baby videos. Number 5 is cute funny animal videos. Number 6 is challenge videos. Number 7 is parody videos. And at last, number 7 is bloopers. Hope that you all will clearly understand that best YouTube content. So like, comment and subscribe and keep supporting us. Thank you.